My beautiful friends, how you're doing? The Pixel Tap game is still experiencing a lot of technical issues. This is disappointing, but then again, it is expected. They have over 70 million players on their platform. They kind of are not handling the increase properly. Okay, as we can pretty much see here, I was on level 6 before this airdrop. Now I'm looking at level 1. So there's a glitch somehow. All the stuff that I used to have here, they are not displaying, and even when I go to my wallet, all the wallet I connected are now all disconnected. It is pretty funny that we're experiencing this. Okay, so I would kind of suggest we give this some time, okay, to see what is going to happen. The claim button is here for me. I don't know if you can see it from your own end. If you click on the claim, it's going to bring you here. Okay, initially it used to show me some avatar here, but now it is not displaying. I don't know what's going on. Okay, and then there's a claim in, there's a countdown, and then if I go to the next step, it says 0 Pixfi here. It used to show me a figure here, but now it is 0. Okay, so this is pretty clear that there is a glitch somehow with the system. Okay, and we just have to give it some time to see how this is going to work. But I'm beginning to understand how this is going to work. So pretty much when things normalize, you can just simply make sure that the wallet you're connected, okay, is an EVM compatible wallet, a Web3 wallet. To avoid confusion, just connect a MetaMask wallet. Okay, connect a MetaMask wallet. Okay, and to do that, you will just go to order here, copy your ERC20 wallet address from your MetaMask wallet and paste it here. And after that, you will go to your dashboard. On your dashboard, all you will just need to do is click on the connect wallet button, and that's gonna take you to your MetaMask wallet. Okay, choose the MetaMask option, and that's gonna bind your wallet, okay, with the dashboard. And then after that, you would simply come to this claim button, click on claim. Of course, that's when things would have normalized here. You will click on claim, okay, and you move to the next step. Then probably you would have gotten some Pixfi here. Okay, mine is saying 0 now, so you will just click on claim. They will display a bar, a tax bar, where you would have to paste your MetaMask wallet. Okay, remember the wallet address that you connected to this Pixel Tap, and then the one on your dashboard. So you just click on claim. Once you claim, I think you're going to be redirected to the dashboard. I don't know how it is going to work yet because the platform is still not working properly. Okay, I think you're going to be redirected to your dashboard, and then on your dashboard you'll be prompted to stake it. Okay, because on the dashboard I can see a staking mechanism on the dashboard, so you'll be prompted to stake it on the platform. But if you decide to withdraw it to an exchange or withdraw it to your wallet, you are only going to be getting just 10% of whatever is your allocation, and that's not going to be fine. Okay, so this guys didn't kind of I don't know, just let's see how it works out. Okay, I'm still going to make more videos about this when things normalize. Don't forget to subscribe, follow for more. There are a lot of other promising airdrops. Hamster Combat is still there, MemeFi is still there, Gemscoin is still there. There are a lot of them out there. Okay, let's go.